Good evening. Hello, everyone. How are you all? And this is the second part of the interview which we were conducting for Rahul. Rahul is very soon going for his SSB interview. And this is a preparation interview which I keep on conducting for all my students on an academy platform, those who are regular with me in my classes. So I'll request all of you to join an academy, even if you want to prepare for a SSB interviews. My name is Nirmal Tanwar, and I'm a verified educator in Academy Plus, and I have SSB experience of last 6 years. Around 70% is my selection rate, and there are a lot of students those who have cleared their various SSBs of Air Force, Army, and Navy. And previous to Rahul, Aman has cleared his SSB, and I have also conducted his interview. But the actually speed of his place was net speed was a problem, so that interview was not up to that mark. So, hello Rahul, welcome back. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Fine. Good, good, good. How is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Hi. Okay. First of all, Rahul, take care of yourself. Meanwhile, you are in the journey because Corona is spreading. And I will also tell you few tips after the interview for your screening tomorrow. You are leaving, I guess. So, Rahul, okay, continuing to the second part of the interview. Rahul, tell me something about your best friends. Tell me something about the qualities you want to improve in yourself. Tell me something about why do you want to join army, and something about your extracurricular activities you have taken part and how you have contributed yourself.
Sir, I'm my best friend. I have a very bunch of very good friends, sir. First, my best friend name is Dipanshu, and he was my best friend because we studied together in the same school for the 12 years, and we even he was my even also my neighbor, sir. So I spent most of the time with him. So that's why he was my best friend. Now, as we, he always helped me when I was, as I said that earlier, I was a very below average student. So in this, he helped me in my various subjects such as the mathematics or the physics, and in the today now this period during the lockdown period, sir, as he was getting the obese in this, so I help him in the reducing the weight, such as I encourage him to go to the cycling. I accompany him, and by this way, I motivate him to do this. And the qualities that I want to improve in me, sir, that I want to read things more faster, and to remind the things more for the more longer term, sir. And the extracurricular activities that I have taken part in the that I have taken part in the acts in my school, as well as I have started my own YouTube channel, sir, in the during the period after the 12th exam and between this before the results, sir. So in that period, I have made my YouTube channel. Uh, yeah, that's it, sir.
So, why did you make this YouTube channel? What is there in this channel?
Sir, in that YouTube channel, I make the comedy videos, sir, because and the reason for making this channel is because at the time I was free. So as I have a great interest generated during this period in the video editing, sir, so I just make the videos and did the video editing and posted this.
Okay, Rahul, I'll give you one SRT. I'll give you many SRTs, but let's start with the one SRT. Okay. Suppose you have gone to Nainital for boating with your parents and you are in the boat. Okay. And your boat is in the middle of the lake. Okay. And because of some reason, the boat tumbled down, it is upside down. And both your parents, your mother, your father, both of them are drowning in water. Now, condition is that you can save only one person at one time. Whom will you save first and why?
So I'll save the one who is near to me.
Okay. You'll not go for mother or father, anyone who is near to you.
No, sir. Anyone who's near to me, I'll save him first, sir.
Okay, I'll give you one more SRT, Rahul. Let me see how you'll come out of this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
SRT, suppose you belong to which place? Which place do you belong?
So I'm from Anandpur side, sir. It's a
Okay.
small town, sir.
Okay. Which district it comes under?
It's come under Roopnagar, sir.
Okay. Suppose you are DM of Roopnagar. Okay. And there is one biggest problem which you feel. What is that biggest problem nowadays in Roopnagar?
Uh, Sir, during this in our district, sir, most of the students are very much encouraged or very much excited to go for the foreign countries like the Canada, sir. As it's not in our district, it's mostly in the Punjab, sir. So that's why they think that I have to I encourage them to live here, sir. And
Okay. So now tell me as a DM, how would you encourage them and what all things you will tell them, what all they have to do and what all things they have to improve in themselves so that they can get into Canada?
okay, so
What
in the
sort of camps you will organize?
So in this, I encourage the schools to give the various lectures on the about the various things because students are not much aware about what they have to choose in their life after this, and they have not having the proper guidance on it, sir. So I encourage the school teachers to take the lectures so that people will know about the other careers after in the India because I have seen that in my even my school, sir. I have seen that the students are only know about either about the going to Canada or to go to the army, sir. Nothing they have nothing know about the any other things that they can do after this.
Okay, let's talk about army then, right? Okay. So Rahul, can you tell me the ranks of officers in army?
Yes, sir. Sir, as coming from the law to upside, sir, the lowest rank in the of the officer is the lieutenant, then
Okay,
lieutenant,
spell
then captain.
lieutenant. Spell lieutenant.
L I Lieutenant.
T U.
Lieutenant.
Okay. Okay. Move on.
Then lieutenant, after then captain, major, then lieutenant colonel, then after that brigadier, then major general, then lieutenant general, then general. Then
Okay,
the
right now, Rahul, you must be aware about the India-China standoff nowadays,
yes, sir, yes, sir.
right? So, which all two places are these standoff going on?
So the first major one is the Galwan Valley, then is the Pangong So Lake, sir. But now, sir, the condition are improved and they have de-escalated, sir.
Okay, when we talk about Pangong So Lake, have you heard anything about fingers?
Yes, sir.
What are
They
those
are
fingers?
Sir, there are these some mountain structure like this, and it's seems like the finger, sir. As it seems from the satellites, it's look like a finger, sir. So as the India do the patrolling to the finger 8, and for the they have post for the till the finger 4, sir. But they're doing the patrolling for the finger 8. But now the Chinese army has captured the till finger 4, sir.
Okay, do you remember anything know about 62 war, 1962 war? Do you know anything about that?
Uh, no, sir. Not much.
Okay, it happened between which countries?
Sir, it's happened between India and China, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Tell me something about the terrorism in Kashmir issue. What do you think? Why Pakistan started it and how it is impacting Indians?
Sir, as the terrorism starts, as after the Pakistan lost all the wars with the India, sir. So then they have came to know about that they will not win any war against India directly. So then they have started this making the terrorist group that is the Lashkar-e-Toiba and Hizbullah Mujahideen and all this to and the purpose of the group is to cut down the Kashmir and merge it into the Pakistan.
Okay, okay. Uh, do you think that this policy of Modi ji of changing the currency did it help in terrorism, stopping terrorism?
Uh, Nothing, sir. No, sir.
It
No
did
idea.
not help in stopping terrorism. Currency ban, they taken off 500 and 1,000 notes. Do you think it helped in the reducing terrorism in India?
Well, sir, it helped, but not as much, sir, because as the terrorist gives the money to the Kashmiris and to do the attacks on the Indian army, sir. So now after the banning of this, this may help in the reducing the terrorism.
Okay, Rahul, tell me your three weaknesses and what are you doing to improve them?
So my weaknesses are as I get trust other very easily, sir. That is my the weaknesses. Like sir, during lockdown, sir, as there a harvesting period, as my father was not there at home, so I have the responsibility of the harvesting, sir. So it was my first time that I'll the doing this, sir. So as I just talking to the tractor owners who are doing the who having the thrasher, sir. So they just gave me that they will come, but they will not come, sir. So then I do it, sir. What I did is I'll take their mobile numbers and do them the calls, but I just trust them easily, sir. So that's why the weakness is that is my. Sir.
Okay,
And the
Rahul, that,
second
yeah, second, coming on to second, yeah.
and coming on to second is that, sir, sometime I'll procrastinate, sir. Thing. So that is increased in during lockdown period, sir, because I didn't have nothing much to do, sir.
Third,
No, sir. That's it.
you have got only two weak qualities, no other weak qualities.
So I know only two, sir.
Are you sure about it?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Anyways, now let's finish this official interview and let me give you some tips. Rahul, first of all, is that a person has a lot of bad qualities. Okay, a lot of things which he needs to improve. Like you didn't talk about the English part. You lack in speaking. You are from Punjab medium, and somehow you are working on it. This can come as your good quality also and your weak quality also. Okay, and otherwise you said that in the last part of the interview, you said history. So you could have said that it was a struggle for me to read history for my coming NDA exam, and I'm improving that quality also. These all these things are little things, but they come in your weakness and strength. Of course, I'm using not the right word. Quality is not there. Weakness and strength. Okay. So weakness and strengths you have to find out. Like this happened recently, what these thresher owners did to you, that was included in it. But let's talk about 3 months before. Then this thing would not have happened, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
work on the weakness and strengths, and always you have to work on your pronunciation and speaking skill. These are one thing. You belong from Punjab, so usually Punjabis and like my place, UP and Haryana, we all have to work on English. We cannot say that we are very good in English and we are experts in that. You know. Second thing is, I liked your confidence and try to analyze the questions. Do not give a straight away answer. Like when I asked you about the this currency thing, so you initially either you did not understand the question because of the net issue, or you just gave an answer that no sir I don't know, but later on you thought about it and you came to know that yes, this thing could have helped in terrorism, stopping terrorism. So always, whenever you approach every question, like I've asked you the first question, tell me something about yourself. So you do not approach like my name is Rahul and immediately you are talking about whenever when I'm asking you why do you want to join army, then you are thinking. So keep it an average of 2-3 seconds that you answer every question in 2-3 seconds.
Okay.
As an interviewer, I should not have a hint that he has prepared this question, but when I'm asking something like this, then he is taking his own time. Getting this point?
Okay. Okay.
Now, okay, Rahul, all the best. Very good. You have improved a lot here. You have been a continuous student with me from last 3-4 months, if I'm not wrong, more than that even.
Yes, sir.
And now you will tell what all you have improved. Now you will tell it yourself.
So I have improved in my English, sir, because earlier I was very pathetic in English, but now with the preparation, I have worked on it, sir, and I have improved in my English, sir.
That is the only thing you want to say, huh?
The second is obviously I've learned very new things from you, sir, like the psychology part,
Look,
everything.
I will tell you one thing that Rahul, it is very important that SSB wants you to be jack of all trades. Like you are going for 10 plus 2 entry. So it is not necessary that I'll ask you in-depth things about the China and what is happening. But this gives me a good impression when you are aware about the your surroundings and what is happening and like what is India-China standoff, what is terrorism issue and all these things. So the reason behind me taking these classes was that you are ready for lecturate also, group discussions also, and these kind of interview questions also. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Abhi, you will be facing your screening, right?
Yes, sir.
So I told you the tips into the class. You remember that Brahmastra I told you interact with people, talk to
Yes.
them, and get the common points on the narration. Whatever you write in the story, that is okay. First of all, use OIRP जो मैंने बताया है कि observation, imagination,
Yes,
resources,
also.
find out करना, planning and explanation of the planning. वो यूज करके स्टोरी सही बन जाएगी तुम्हारी. उसके बाद find out the common points in the story, है ना?
Yes,
Do
sir.
this. Chalo, all the best, Rahul. If you want to ask me anything else, you can please ask me because you're leaving tomorrow.
No, sir. I have no questions.
Chalo, or you can either give me a call also, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
take care, Rahul. God bless
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Bye.